Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add an external bank account to Comerica Bank. If you don't have a Comerica Bank account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to register and get a $50 MasterCard reward card. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Transfers. Before you proceed, you need to read and agree to the terms and conditions stated below. Then click on the I agree button. Also, read the notice regarding receiving text message. After reading, click on OK. Next, confirm your phone number. To confirm, click on the Confirm button. Then here, you will see an option for Add a new account. Click on Add a new account. Now, select the type of account you wish to add. Click on the drop-down arrow next to it to see the list of accounts. Next, enter your routing number and account number on the fields provided. You could also add an account nickname, but it's optional. After entering, click on Next. That's how you add an external bank account to Comerica Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.